What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about East-West Credit Card Points Redemption. So paano nga ba mag-redeem ng credit card points natin sa East-West Credit Card? Pag-uusapan natin guys kung ilang points yung kakailanganin para makapag-redeem kayo ng ganong cash credits. Kasi meron siyang threshold, meron siyang parang bracket or cap para redeem kayo kung ilang points yung katumbas ng cash credits na yon. At saka kung paano mag-redeem, yung methods, kung saan kayo pwede mag-redeem, ganyan. At saka kasi pwede lang siya ma-redeem guys via Messenger. So yung via Messenger guys, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano yung process. At saka kung gaano siya katagal bago ma-credit sa account ninyo yung redemption na yon. Pero bago yan, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, East-West credit card points, cash rewards, or charms can be redeemed primarily through the ESTA chat booth or www.ewlend.com/ESTA by calling the 24-hour customer service hotline at 632-8888-1000 or via the EasyWay application. Options include cash rebates, air miles, Asia miles, KrisFlyer, or Mabuhay Miles, e-gift rewards, or annual fee waivers. So, kasi maraming options guys, or marami kayong choices para ma-redeem ninyo yung credit card points niyo sa East-West. Kabilang na dito yung sa ESTA chatbot or yung sa Messenger na sinasabi ko na yun yung isi-share ko sa inyo mamaya. Tapos, pwede rin kayo tumawag sa East-West Customer Service, which is yung call center hotline nila, which is yung 8888-17000. Then, pwede naman guys via EasyWay application. Kung meron kayong EasyWay application, of course, since may credit card kayo, mas convenient doon. Redemption methods. ESTA, yun yung East-West System Tech Assistant, which is ma-access nyo siya via www.ewlend.com/ESTA. Then select apply, then redeem points. Then ito yung complete contact number ng East-West Credit Card Redemption guys, which is yung 8888-1700 sa Metro Manila yon. Ngayon kung nasa province kayo using your PLDT landline or kung anumang landline na meron kayo, 1800-1888-8600 provincial. So outside Metro Manila to guys ng sinasabi dito. Then EasyWay application so you can monitor your credit card points, credit card nyo sa East-West, then you can manage rewards directly in the application. So ngayon guys, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-redeem via Messenger. So ito yung kailangan nyo matandaan guys is make sure lang guys na legit yung Messenger na yun, yung ESTA chatbot ni East-West sa Messenger. Ito yung legitimate East-West chatbot ni East-West sa Messenger guys. Ayan, as you can see, EW Credit Cards. Yung username niya is EW Credit Cards. Yan. Kasi pag sinabing EW, East-West, yon. Then, pag-open ninyo, syempre siguro aware naman kayo guys since may East-West credit card kayo kasi hindi nyo malalock at unlock yung credit card ninyo sa East-West kapag hindi kayo naka-enroll sa Messenger. Kailangan nyo mag-enroll sa Messenger or mag-register sa ESTA chatbot sa Messenger para anytime pwede nyo i-unlock at i-lock yung credit card ninyo sa East-West para sa peace of mind ninyo. So, kailangan nyo i-click yung start. Pagka-click nyo ng start, lalabas to. Great news! You can redeem your rewards points into cash rebates. So, pag sinabing cash rebates, guys, i-credit siya sa credit card ninyo. Pwede siyang gamitin pang bayad. Tapos, pwede nyo i-waive yung annual fee ninyo using your East-West credit card points. You are invited to experience the new EW Pay mobile application. The app transforms your NFC near field communications. So when we say NFC, meaning near field communications, capable Android device into a Visa credit card, EMV contactless card emulator. So kasi kapag nilink niyo guys yun, quick na lang to kasi iba to sa topic. Guys, ko lang i-share sa inyo na pwede rin via cellphone nyo na lang gamitin yung credit card ninyo. hindi nyo na kailangan gamitin yung physical card ninyo. Kapag yung cellphone nyo is NFC enabled, so pwedeng cellphone na lang yung gamitin yung pambayad. So, move on tayo dito. So, kailangan guys, makita nyo tong options na ito. Ayan, nakikita nyo, statements, card number, kung ano yung card number na meron kayo, tapos yung mobile number. Then, kailangan nyo siya guys, i-swipe pa ganun, pa left side. Tapos, hanapin ninyo yung, kasi di ba pag sinwipe nyo kaisa, mula dito, lalabas to. Card status is naka-unlock siya. Yan, pwedeng options lock or unlock card. Then, kailangan nyo pa i-swipe ulit. Makikita nyo naman yung Instacash, balance transfer, convert to installment. Then, swipe nyo ulit. Makikita nyo naman yung supplementary, limit increase, redeem points. So, ngayon, dito kayo sa redeem points. Since magre-redeem kayo ng S2S credit card points ninyo. Pagka-click nyo ng redeem points, guys, lalabas, welcome to reward points conversion. Here, you can choose to convert your rewards points and to cash rebates that will be credited to your account. What would you like to do? So, of course, may options doon. I-click niyo yung convert points. Ngayon, pagka-click niyo ng convert points, guys, lalabas ito. Current reward points, kung magkano or ilan yung available points ninyo. Then, your choices for reward redemption are as follows. So, ngayon, guys, kung magtatanong kayo kung ilang points yung katumbas ng 250 pesos or 500 kasi meron siyang threshold or minimum redemption. Ngayon, sa 250 pesos, which is yung minimum amount to redeem, kailangan mo ng 760 points. Ngayon, para naman sa 500, kailangan mo ng 1,520 points. Please choose a points denomination for conversion. So ngayon, as you can see guys, since yung rewards ko, yung available rewards points ko is 107 pa lang, hindi pa umabot ng 760 points, which is equivalent to 250 pesos. So, hindi ko muna siya mariredeem. Ngayon, kung umabot na, na-reach nyo na yung, halimbawa itong 760 points, lumagpas na yung points nyo dyan, so pwede na kayong makapag-redeem ng 250 pesos. Kung naka 1,520 points na kayo, then 500 pesos yung equivalent nun. O, di ba at least kahit pa paano makaka-save kayo. Then ito guys, key redemptions options. Cash rewards or rebates credited to the card account. So kung ano yung credit card na yon, doon makikredit kung magkano yung na-redeem niyo. Halimbawa, tuwad kanina, yung 760 points, 250 yung papasok doon para magbabayad kayo. Tapos consumable yon. Air Miles, convertible to Asia Miles, KrisFlyer, or Mabuhay Miles. Gift vouchers or e-gifts, redeemable at partner merchants. So kung gusto niyo naman gift vouchers or e-gifts, may partner merchants lang sila. So hindi ako makapagbigay ng list kasi pabago-bago yun. Membership fee waiver, available for qualified card holders. So pwede siyang gamitin pang waive ng annual fee ninyo sa East-West. Then ito yung important guidelines guys. Processing time, rewards request take approximately 5 banking days to process. So ngayon, sa katanungan nyo kung gaano katagal bago makredit, aabot siya ng 5 banking days. Validity, cash rewards generally expires 24 months from the account's approval or renewal month. So kailangan yung magamit yung cash rewards na yun, guys, kasi nag-i-expire yun. 24 months lang yung itatagal niya kapag na-convert na yung points nyo. Account standing. The card must be active and in good standing at the time of redemption. So, of course, kailangan active yung credit card na yun at okay yung pagbabayad ninyo. Minimum threshold. Specific points or cash thresholds may apply based on the card type. Example is GBC, Visa Infinite, MasterCard. So, may mga thresholds siya, guys. So, kailangan nyo malaman yun, guys, at least kahit paano magkaroon kayo ng idea regarding credit card points nyo sa East-West or East-West credit card redemptions. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!